Alright guys, so I finally got some spare time on my little holidays I've got off. So I've decided to start working on that. So basically what I've done is I have pulled off, well I'll show you, let's go. So as you can see, I've got rid of my fans. Over there, fans. My intake charge pipe, so I can get access to my timing gear covers. So my gut feeling is that I've spun a bearing, but I just wanted to check that it's not the timing or the timing belt tensioner, which can sometimes also make a very similar kind of noise. So I've just, like, the belt seems pretty tight. You obviously can't tell until the engine's running and the hydraulics kind of pump up the tensioner, but all the timing marks seem to line up. Now the two down here. So another thing I'm checking too is, I'm just going to crank it over by hand. I'm just checking to see if it feels like it's got compression, which it does. Yeah, I don't know, man, it's hard to say. It could be a number of things, but I think regardless I'm going to pull this motor out and get a new one built that is bulletproof. So yeah, I think the next thing I'm going to do is pull the oil filter and drain the oil, check for metal, which I'm guessing I'll probably see, and if that's the case then I'm just going to pull the motor straight out. I'm not going to bother trying to start it or anything crazy like that, do more damage. So basically I'm going to hopefully get a full built motor from Deshell. So that'll be happening later in the year once I've got some spare Muller, but I'll drain the oil and we'll see how it goes. Alright, so I've just got my oil drain pan out now, ready to drain the oil. As you can see, it is basically spotless for a many-year-old oil drain pan. Rayco, check him out, mate. Kitchen goods. Alright, so hopefully you guys can see. And yes, that is a Fumoto oil quick drain valve. So this should make draining the oil pretty easy. I'll just go loosen off the oil filler cap so it flows out a bit better. I've also been dying to use this oil filter removal installation tool. Pretty sick, as you can see. So give that a whirl as well. Alright, so Reese is here and we're just having a look at the old oil out of the Foz. So we've got our magnet here.
Definitely some shards in there. Some
definite metal.
I reckon there'll be more in the oil filter.
Yeah, so that's good in a way, because I know that something's fucked.
It's not, you're not just paranoid, getting a motor rebuild for nothing.
So I suppose we'll cut this open.
Yeah, we'll drain it and cut it open.
See what's inside the paper.
You can already see. Look,
you see bits of metallic. Hopefully you guys can see that.
Yeah, that's not good.
You can see shit draining out.
That's bad. I'm guessing that's what all this is in here.
Yeah.
That's look at it. That's all metal. Yeah,
Yeah. Oh, I'm glad there's shit in there. I would have been a bit probably more concerned if there was no metal in there.
Yeah, so I'm building a motor. What was wrong with it? It seems fine, mate.
Yeah, you know, just making noises.
Just paranoid.
Well, if I put my finger in there and then yeah, that's very, very gritty. Tiny bits of metal. Oh
wow, it's everywhere.
Bits of bearing for sure. Alright, so we drained the oil through this stocking which I got out of my drawers. There's definitely chunks of something. Yeah, I don't know what it is, but
focus, you prick. That's metal, man.
but yeah, even here, it's like really finely ground. What a chunk there.
Let's cut the oil filter open.
Yeah. We'll stop fucking around.
Yeah. If we're gonna find anything, it's gonna be in there.
Alright. Okay, so this is kind of this tells a story.
Let's have a look in there.
You see that?
Oh man, it looks like you're mixing metallic paint.
It's goldy brown metallic, mate.
Is that the new colour you're going for?
She's definitely fucked.
Yeah, that is some serious amount of metal.
That's pretty sick. I need to take a photo of that.
It's hard to see, but there's so much metal in there. It honestly looks like someone's mixed a
It's like
candy paint in
glitter. Alright, sweet. See if we can pull this out.
Oh, it's everywhere.
Yeah. I'm not going to bother trying to deconstruct this oil filter, but oh, here we go. Yeah. So guys, that is what a most probable bearing looks like after it's been mashed up by a crankshaft.
I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but there is just little shards everywhere. Yeah, that's not a happy motor.